Higher order functions, functions as first-class citizens. In Python, functions aren't just things you call. They're values. You can pass them around, store them, even create new ones on the fly. Here's the idea. We define apply twice. It takes a function f and a value x, and applies f to x 2 times. If we pass in square and 3, it computes square of 3, which is 9, then square of 9, which is 81. Notice, f isn't a number, it's a function. We're handing one function to another as an argument. That's a higher order function. This pattern is everywhere. Map takes a function and a list, and applies that function to every element. Map with square and 1, 2, 3, 4 gives you 1, 4, 9, 16. Filter keeps only elements where a function returns true. Filter with is even and 1 through 5 gives you 2 and 4. You're passing functions as arguments. That's the pattern. Functions can also return other functions. Here's makeAdder. It takes n and returns a new function that adds n to its input. Call makeAdder of 3, and you get back a function that adds 3. Call that with 4, you get 7. Each call to makeAdder creates a different adding function. This is powerful for building specialized tools on the fly. Sometimes defining a full function feels like overkill. Lambda gives you a quick anonymous function. Lambda x colon x times x squares its input. It's the same as defining square with def, just shorter. You'll see lambdas inside map and filter all the time. They're perfect for simple one-line operations. Your turn. What does makeAdder of 3 called with 4 return? 7. makeAdder of 3 returns a function that adds 3. Call it with 4, you get 3 plus 4 equals 7. Functions as arguments, functions as return values. That's the superpower of higher order functions.